Traditional 3D printing methods are not suitable for every application. In many cases, they are too slow, too imprecise, or too complicated to use. With the support of the Gebert Rüf Foundation, we developed and tested a new generation of 3D printers which work by a technology called volumetric printing. It's a very rapid method. It can create objects in just 30 seconds, whereas layer-by-layer printers might take 30 minutes to build the same thing. We can also print deformable materials like silicone and hydrogels, and we print without using temporary support structures, which makes the process more user-friendly. Our first line of printers is made for life scientists. It is used for bioprinting to create artificial living tissues or organ models. Later, we will also apply this technology to print hearing aids and dental aligners. This project now continues as a spin-off from EPFL called Readily 3D. We enable researchers and companies to obtain results faster, unlock new applications, and push the limits of additive manufacturing.